Once again, thank you, Spanky and Flipper, for sending me this video. This video is about the wiring for the doorbell and a few other things. Enjoy!
Okay, it's Friday. It's a beautiful day. They could have got a lot of shingles done today. Okay, I'm checking out where your doorbell is right here. And I follow the cord over, and I'm afraid they're going to have to run a new wire because I don't think there's enough to run it. See right there? They need to pull it up and run it over here and down here in that gap. So I don't think it's long enough. But still the same, fan's still running. However, when we pulled up, the front door was wide open, and of course the window's not there. Another temporary door. Yep, it's all the same. Oh, I was wrong on the measurement of 6 feet. Gosh, the wall's just right there from the toilet. So you could put a T in there and run it out. So I've been thinking, I got some good ideas for the garage. I'll sit down and draw them up and show you what I was thinking. What would probably be good layout. Okay, buddy, that's it. Hey Gary, this is the molding here on the side of the door, and there's nothing to mount this to, I guess, unless you put a piece of block of wood in there behind it, and then it would fit like that. I don't think it will work. Yeah, it might work.
Oh.
It could possibly work over here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What goes there?
Well, this is where it originally is supposed to go.
But you can't see anybody.
But you can't see anything, so, you know, why don't you back up and show how it would work.
Okay.
So you got that, you got this, or this, over
Oh,
here.
it's perfect there.
This is on the right side of the door.
Yeah.
Or above the window. So the choice is yours.
Perfect. Looks the same. Yeah.
And Gary, there are 4 outlets up above on that wall, the east wall. And there's also 4 on the west wall. So they're, you know, the ones that are as high as you wanted.
Oh, there they are. This is your sunset today, Gary. It's beautiful. Oh, and there's Spanky.